Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Love and Deepspace in iOS and Android. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you want to get Love and Deepspace on your phone, it's actually pretty simple. First, if you are on an Android device, you can download this game through the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store, search for Love and Deepspace. And when you find it, just tap on Install. Mine says Open because I have already installed it. But yours should be installed when you don't have it. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a few moments, but once it's done, you're good to go. If you are on iPhone, the process is pretty much the same. You will have to download it through the App Store by searching it and then pressing Install. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.